Today's lesson is 2.8, pennies. The objective is to introduce pennies and cents notation, to provide practice recording numbers of pennies, and to reinforce comparing numbers. Our learning target today is I can identify a penny, know how much it is worth, and determine the value of a group of pennies. We use money every day to buy things, but there are different coins that help us do this. The coin we're going to focus on today is the penny. Have you ever noticed that a penny has two different sides? These sides are known as the head and tail. The terms head and tail don't refer to the parts of a dog, but instead talk about the front and the back of the coin, just like the head is the front of the dog and the tail is the back of the dog. The head or front of the penny looks like this. If we zoomed in on the penny, we could see a picture of the President Abraham Lincoln on it. The tail or back of the penny looks like this. If we were to zoom in close, we would see a picture of the Lincoln Memorial. Today, pennies are made from copper and zinc, which give them this brassy color. This is different from most coins that look silver. You might remember seeing the story of money up on our calendar. We're going to be using this tool to help us keep track of our different coins. So if I look here, we're going to fill in some information about the penny. We learned that on the head side of our penny, we have a picture of Abraham Lincoln. And on the tail side of our penny, we have a picture of the Lincoln Memorial. Up at the top, it tells us how much a penny is worth. So a penny is worth 1 cent. I could also write it like this, with my dollar sign, 0.01. There are no other coins that are worth 1 cent. The word cent can also be written like this. It comes from a Latin word known as centesimo. This means 100th part. When I'm talking about money, I can think about it like this. In $1, I could fit 100 pennies. Or in other words, there's 100 smaller parts that go in to making that $1. Now, we know a penny is small. It's only worth 1 cent. What do you think you can buy with a penny? Pause video now. Great ideas. Today, there's not much we can buy with a penny because it's worth so little. But when we put pennies together, we're able to buy things. For example, if I put 25 pennies together, that would be 25 cents, and I would have enough money to buy 1 gumball. What if you gave 1 penny to everyone in the room? How much money would you have? Pause video now. Thanks for sharing. I want you to remember that pennies are only worth 1 cent. That means when we're counting our pennies, it's the same as counting by ones. If you remember this, it will help you play the next games. Good luck and have fun!